Oh my God, Sagittarius, someone is really in deep pain over some sort of separation that happened recently between the both of you. All right, you might be picking up on this because I see a very strong emotional flow of energy between the both of you. This could be intuitive, this could be telepathic, this could be emotions, like you feel their emotions and you are both reconnecting with one another on an emotional level. Even though this person is not really coming forward yet, they are trying to defend themselves, they are trying to protect themselves or their heart. But what I can see is that this person truly feels heartbroken. Okay, like this is someone that feels the separation or the heartbreak that is, you know, making them feel very emotional. Like your person this week is going through a deep emotional roller coaster, and absolutely you feel it. But you are the King of Cups, whether you are feminine or masculine. What the King of Cups is like, you are not allowing these emotions to affect you. You are aware that the other person, on the other hand, is becoming very sensitive, is very emotional, and maybe even trying to apologize in ways that you're like, okay, yeah, I'm getting like an apology here. Let's see, what are their true feelings for you, Sagittarius? What are their true feelings for you? See, they want to work on things. Absolutely, the Eight of Pentacles is showing that they are dedicated on working on whatever separated the both of you, or this heartbreak, or maybe they've done something that, you know, made you actually feel like you're ready to move forward. They're ready to actually come forward. Okay, you got the Two of Wands. So it looks like in the recent past, they were actually being a little bit hesitant. They were not making any type of bold move. They were kind of like lingering on with the time. But right now, they feel like very focused on you, very focused on how could they personally grow out of this pain, and how can they personally come forward to mend the broken heart. See, the Ten of Swords is very heavy in their energy field. Very heavy. Because the devil here, look at that. This is quite intense. This is like their ego, death is going on. They are being very obsessive. They've had some sort of painful betrayal. Could have connected to you, but could have also been connected to something else. And with the devil there, I mean, whew, that's someone that has a lot of, yeah, a lot of skeletons in the closet that they needed to let go of. And now we have the hangman here. The hangman is them understanding that they also played a huge role in how they were feeling betrayed. Okay, there was a reason for you to act the way that you acted. There was a reason for you to, break up or do something. Instead of them constantly feeling like they were the victim, they're now actually seeing like, okay, I played a huge part in this too. That's maturity, right? That's absolutely maturity that I'm seeing. How do you feel? How do you feel right now, Sagittarius? Oh, see, the King of Cups, which was the leading actor in the beginning, right? A King of Cups is, you still have deep feelings and emotions, but you're definitely not putting them on the silver platter. You know, you're like, oh, these are my emotions. No, you know very well how to maintain your own emotions. I like that. Oh, look at that. The Queen of Wands. The Chariots. Very powerful energy. Emotionally. And the Knight of Wands. Okay, Sagittarius. This looks like you're finally in your confident era. This is you really attracting a lot of success in your life. You are absolutely listening to your intuition. There is also like this Chariot and the Knight of Wands is like that movement, like momentum moving forward in your life. emotionally, you feel quite healed. You're ready to move forward. You're ready to move on, tackle whatever the challenges were, and you're not allowing anything to have a setback in your life. Okay, like even when it comes to this person, you feel completely confident, as well as very focused. Okay, very focused on your future. You're not allowing the past to hold you back. Yeah, I see you really moving forward, like with fast feet ahead. What are their next actions? Their next actions, please. Look at that. We've got the Empress coming through. We've got the Knight of Pentacles. Look at that. The Ten of Pentacles and the Hierophant. Oh, wow. And the Star at the bottom of the deck, which has been a very significant card that kept on showing up in a lot of the signs, which is all about divine timing, divine healing, being sorry, I just got like a little bit of an emotional hit by the Star, because the Star just indicates that, oh my God, I just get like, those blackouts where you get when you feel a sense of energy. Sorry. Let's just talk about these 4 cards, because their next actions is actually coming forward with real leverage. Okay, like this is someone that wants to build with you, sees you as a growing energy, and this person really loves you. I don't know, I haven't seen such an emotional reading for you, Sagittarius. And with the Hierophant, this is someone that is ready to actually commit and do what is right. Okay, sometimes that might even be like going according to book and actually offer you a real commitment, a real relationship, or even a proposal, marriage. Like this is really heavy. Like this is someone that sees you as their spiritual partner. No doubt. And it's like the pain and the suffering and the separation, as well as the time loss, is actually what built this person up for this relationship, to take this relationship more serious and to the next level. And with the Star, it's like the universe is coming through. The universe is absolutely coming through with a lot of signs, synchronicities, renewal, clarity, purification. I mean, it's deep. It's very deep. And it's like they're finally letting go of something that held them stuck emotionally, held them stuck mentally. Be honest with yourself. What is your heart's true desire? So their heart is leading back to you here, Sagittarius. And you're going to see this unfold. I hope so. Because I really, really want you to claim this energy, because it's been one of the best energies, an emotional, a very emotional energy coming through for you. So let me know if this is real. Claim it, like it, and let me know by claiming it in the comment section. And I'll catch you guys very soon. Take care.